morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are on the globe. Today we are here to continue our herbs and plants medicine, and we are continuing with our part 2 of the mint that we started the last time. We're going to look at mint and its benefit to the skin, its benefit to the hair, and also how mint can help us with allergies. So from time of old, it is believed that mint have actually helped in solving skin blemishes or skin problems such as acne. We call it in Ghana here pimples, and also scars. So it's believed that when you have a scar, you make poultice of mint and you apply it, the scar is going to vanish with time. All these are possible because of the antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory property that the mint possesses. So mint is very high in salicylic acid, and also I mentioned that it's very rich in nutrients such as vitamin A. All these actually control the release of sebum oil in the skin, and this sebum oil helps us to cure acne. So if it controls that secretion, it means that your pimple will not be appearing. Mint also moisturizes our skin and also softens skins that are deemed to be dry, and also helps with itchy skin. So if you are someone who have very itchy skin, you can add mint to your meals. You can brew tea to be drinking from time to time. You can actually make poultice and be applying on your skin from time to time, and all these are going to help you with these skin related issues. Mint is also very good for the hair because it is very rich in keratin, and this keratin and antioxidants promotes hair growth, and they also prevents our hair from breakages and also prevents our hair from falling. So when we use these mint in our hair, what happens is that it promotes hair growth and retards dandruff. What can you do to do this? So let's say once in a while you can make a poultice of mint. You can just grind some mint, and then you can actually add some lemon juice to it. When you add this lemon juice to it, you apply it at the scalp of your hair. You can wait for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then you rinse your hair very well. When you keep doing this, what happens is that it stops the growth of dandruff, and it also stops hair from falling off or from breaking. Mint is actually known to have very good anti-allergy property. So if you are someone who always have allergies that actually worry you, spanning from itching, from any other thing that you think is as a result of something you've eaten or an allergic reaction you are getting from anything, mint has a strong compound that contains anti-allergic properties. So you can use it to treat all forms of allergies because it has several compounds which is believed to cure allergies of all sorts. So next time when you have any allergy, if you eat anything and you think that you need help before maybe you consult a doctor to see what is wrong with you, you can grab some few mint leaves and snack on them, chew them, swallow the water, and see the effect you will get. Although mint is very good for most things that I have mentioned in my previous video and this video, just like any other herb, it also has its own side effect when you overuse it or when you have gastroesophageal reflux diseases. If you are a viewer and you suffer from gastroesophageal refluxes, I advise that you stay away from mint, or you eat it in the minimal states. You don't take it as much as somebody who don't have the issues you have. You can also talk to your doctor if you want to use it to avoid any stomach irritation. medications. And also for us to note that this mint, because of its menthol or peppermint kind of feel, is not good for children to eat it. It is good for it to be applied topically when they have issues instead of eating it. So we have to be careful when we are using it for children. Besides this, if you want to use it and you are not so comfortable, you can talk to your doctor before you use it. But all these benefits are there for our use, and mint is very good. If you add it to your meals, if you apply it to whatever you do, believe you me, you will visit the hospital less, you will have less colds, less coughs, and all the other diseases that are associated with the weather or with the digestive system. If you have any question to ask on the mint and its benefit, you can put your comments down there. Or if you want to know how you can use the mint for a particular thing, you can put your comments down there. We will read the comments and will reply to you appropriately. If you are a first viewer, please do well to subscribe to the channel. Give us thumbs up if you learned something from this video, and share with other people so that they can also come and subscribe to our channel so we learn together. My name is Ninye and this is Flair GH. We love you all and God bless you. See you another time on our channel. Bye bye.